Hello traders. So today we'll check for FNO stocks which we can trade tomorrow. So before going to those future and option stocks, so let me quickly go through the different sector indexes and Nifty. So by looking at the Nifty, it looks like maybe we can have a up move tomorrow if we see 125-minute time frame. Then from old swing low, we have this hammer type candle and then this solid candle. So tomorrow we can expect Nifty to touch around this 24,800 new week opening gap, this area and this liquidity. So based on that, we can look for different sectors and long side setups, and if we see anything short side, then we'll also filter it out and we'll add in our watch list. So these are the different sectors I am tracking on. So if we look at the bank nifty, it has also taken the liquidity from the swing low point. It is been down from last 3 4 days. So tomorrow it can give a pullback from upside and touch this area. So nifty bank nifty is also looks similar to nifty. If you'll see the IT sector, then IT is looking good. It has taken support from this old low and we have a hammer type of candle, and tomorrow we can see we may have a good upside move on the IT sector as well. Nifty auto is okay. So if we look it closely here, then there was this fair value gap formed. So it has retested this fair value gap, and if we see gap up opening and once price moves above this today's candle high, then we can see up move on this auto sector as well, because in these three candles if we look at those, so these are good solid candles with the fair value gap, so there are good chances we can see the up move on auto sector as well. Reality is also same, so almost all sectors looking good for long side setup, especially IT. Metal is okay, not so good. Yeah, FMCG is much better. So IT, auto, and FMCG, these three sectors we can focus tomorrow. If Nifty supports, then from these three sectors we can pick for the leading stocks, and we can plan our trade accordingly. So now let's move to this FNO stocks. So we need to focus on IT first. So this LTTS is good. Setup closing is also good. We can see good move tomorrow on this one. If we see the weekly chart, weekly is also looking good. Okay, LTTS is one. Maybe I'll mark it for tomorrow. Separate flag. Okay, LTIM is also similar. TechM is also good. TCSV today it formed this inside bar candle. Tomorrow, if we get this inside bar breakout, then we can see good move on TCS as well. Bsoft is also good. If we see, it has taken the liquidity from this area and has formed a good hammer candle. There are good chances we can have a upside move once candle crosses this high. First target is this one, then second we can have this 567 around as well. Let me this one also. Tech. Okay, now it's IT sectors we have checked. We can look for the auto as well. Then FMCG will take a look on those as well quickly. Okay, Maruti is looking good, but it has already like we have seen this move, so I will not take a trade on this one. Yeah, Balkrishna Industries is the one that we can plan tomorrow. We can add in our watch list. It can give us good move as we can see today. This hammer candle with this huge volume. This one we can add. Tata Motors is also a good setup. This inside bar, two inside bar candle formed in the same area with the narrow range. So if we see tomorrow gap up opening and once in early morning price break out this range, then the target of this would be 847 around this liquidity area. This is also a good setup. So I think we have enough stocks for tomorrow. Bosch Limited is also good. Scott is also good. Okay, we have seen the auto sectors stocks now. At last, we can quickly check the FMCG one as well. Godrej SCP is better. We have this inside bar candle at this liquidity area. If we see gap up opening above it, and this gap can be filled. So for different sector, let's add this one, or we'll check other if we found better than this one. Dower is also good setup. This big red candle. Then we had this inside bar, and today breakout. So on this type of setup, I have seen in past like we have good upside move, and this new week opening at 522. This at least should be touched tomorrow. So this one I'll also add. Okay, yeah, I think these are the few stocks. Okay, Marico is also a good setup, but my experience on this particular stock is not so good, so I'll avoid it. But You can take a look. After a long time, it is forming this hammer candle with the target side. It has resistance at each and every steps. I'll not add in my watch list. You can plan, but it is having a good setup and this good hammer candle. Okay, yeah, from long side, these are the stocks we can plan. Just now I checked this Dixon. This is good short side setup. If Nifty doesn't support, then we can plan on this one at short side, and target would be around this area 16,000. This liquidity area. So this one we can add in case market is down. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.